Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, Samsung manages to achieve impressive sales figures with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3, so, Galaxy Z Fold 4 is along the line. The folding models have been sold worldwide no less than 5 times as often as their predecessors, according to the manufacturer. It is expected that Samsung will continue to focus strongly on phones with a flexible screen in the coming years, in order to maintain its dominant market position. To make this possible, it will have to continue to innovate. Finally, more and more manufacturers are entering the market of foldable phones. So, Let's Go Digital reported on a special multi-foldable Galaxy smartphone based on a patent that Samsung has applied for. It is a very unique device that can be folded both horizontally and vertically, so we have renamed this smartphone the Galaxy Z Multi-Fold. Samsung Electronics is developing a smartphone with both a horizontal and a vertical hinge. When you fold the phone vertically, the screen is on the outside. By folding the device horizontally, the screen is on the inside, so the screen remains optimally protected when you carry the device with you. That sounds very plausible. After all, it can increase productivity. In addition, folding phones are already available with a larger display than the 7.6 screen of the Z Fold 3, so looking at the Huawei Mate X2 and the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold, both of which have an 8 flexible screen. Samsung is also considering designing a new user interface for the Galaxy Z Multi-Fold smartphone. This will undoubtedly improve the overall user experience. The company has already paid extensive attention to this in the existing folding designs, such as the Handy Flex mode. The South Korean manufacturer is also thinking about using a keyboard. The display can be folded in multiple ways, which also creates multiple user modes. You can easily place the device like a laptop. The lower screen part can then show the operation, such as a virtual keyboard, while the top screen part shows the content. No information is known about compatibility with the S Pen yet. However, it is very likely that Samsung will also provide this device with Stylus Pen support. The Samsung Z Fold 3 is currently the only foldable smartphone that can be used with Samsung's S Pen. This makes the device extra versatile. However, the current Z Fold does not have a Stylus Pen compartment. There are cases available with an S Pen pocket to store the stylus. Therefore, the Stylus Pen is not included as standard. There is a good chance that this will change with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is expected in mid-2022, just as the Galaxy S22 Ultra is also equipped with an S Pen compartment for the first time. With the multi-foldable smartphone, however, it will be a lot more difficult to build in a stylus compartment, because the device can be folded both horizontally and vertically. There is simply not enough space available in the housing for a long S Pen. I am also very curious what optional accessories Samsung will release for this model. I am mainly talking about the type of covers. Because the smartphone can be folded both inwards and outwards, it will not be easy to create a matching phone case for this. Samsung may see an opportunity to make a case that consists of 2 parts, as we know from the Z Flip. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.